So this is a Sure-Trac trailer. It's a tilt bed, and as you can see here, this was the old decking. Right in the middle, it gave out. I was worried about stepping my foot through it. So this is I think 2/32 by over 32 seconds, just shy of a 3/4 inch ply. This is from Home Depot. And I got some special screws that'll go right through the metal studs on the bottom of the trailer. So the length that I've marked out here is 92 1/4 on the red line, and that's what I determined will fit under the back ledge and be flush with the front. So these are the screws that I bought. These are self-drilling screws, wood to metal. So what they need to go through, I'll show you here in a second. So the underside of the trailer looks like this, and you got those metal studs all the way through. There's a lip right here that the plywood goes under, and it could go under there at the top as well, but the problem with that is you'd have to bow the plywood. I'm not ready to do that, so here we go. So you look at the original screws, and then the screws that I put in. The screws that I put in are a lot longer. Really doesn't matter much, but definitely longer. So I found online a lot of people were redoing decks with 2x6s and that kind of stuff. I didn't find too many people online that were doing plywood deck replacements, and so hopefully this will help anybody that looks. Spent a lot of time looking at treatment options for this deck. You can see on my side panels I used varnish, but I was looking online, and a couple of guys were using used motor oil, so they're aging these decks by 2 years and then soaking them in used motor oil. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. So now we can look at the lines that I put down that go across the trailer. This line is at 3, 22.5, 22.5, and 24.5 roughly. 44 is the correct line. 64, and then roughly 85 and 1/8 maybe. So you can see the screws going in there. I'm kind of offsetting them. These screws may be a bit long, but they were what Home Depot had this morning. So if we go down, you can see there's a screw, screw, and screw, and I'm gonna do the other stuff, other side. So there we go.